So here's our first actual power outage since we got the Generac 22K Guardian series installed. You can hear it running. It's way over there. This was one of my concerns. As you can see, get this pretty big solar system, and you notice this red light is on, telling us about a grid fault. And they've been off for about 30 minutes trying to reset. The big fear was if the generator starts and brings it up to like a nice solid 240 with a clean sine wave, these inverters will try to sync up to that generator's frequency and actually start producing solar and pushing back into that generator, which actually, if it was a little bit, I don't think it would be a problem. But this solar system is so big, it has the capability to make, like 50 amps combined. And so if it were to send, that full power back over to that generator, it would actually overspeed the generator and potentially damage it. So I had bought these smart modules that I was in the process of installing, and this is not a perfect fix. Technically, this should be a line side tap so that when the grid goes down, these are totally isolated, but that wasn't possible because I have them wired to a sub panel. To line side tap it, I'd have to pull the wires all the way over to the house and then get on the utility side of the meter and tap them in there, which is nuts. There's no chance I'm doing that. The cool thing is, in this real life situation, these inverters are catching the fact that this is not regular grid power. As you can see, it's got the grid fault set. Power is obviously on in here, not only by these being lit, but we have perfect power. You'd never really even know the power's out, so that generator's doing a great job. I will still install these, but I'm about to leave for a week, so at least I feel pretty good that, hey, if we lose power again, these inverters aren't going to try to kick on and start running the generator backwards or overspeeding it. You listen, that's the amount of noise. We run everything. Let's go check it out. Alright, so obviously it's a little loud. See, it's working great. We're gonna go check the just look at the transfer switch. It's nothing really to see, but check it out anyway. Alright, so I'm back over here. So generator fired up, it changed over this auto transfer switch. So now the power is coming into the generator through the house wiring to here, down, and over, and the grid is isolated. And it did that all auto transfer. Took about 20 seconds. As you can hear, this is the mini split AC running. There where I was at the shop in the other house, they've got a big 3-ton mini split running. No problem. This noise over here is actually my other neighbor has a generator just like this one. I'm gonna check real quick. I know there's lights on in both houses. Everybody's doing business as usual. 3 refrigerators, 1 freezer. The well's running. It's all smooth. It's clean. So that's pretty impressive. Yeah, no problem. Definitely pretty pumped about it. I don't know how much propane this sucker's burning, but it's probably a lot of propane. But propane I can get when the power goes out. It's like 94 right now. The power goes out and the AC goes down. Nobody's happy, and then we don't have water. So sweet. Pretty good test. Pretty happy with the Generac Guardian.